The Galaxy Z Flip 4 is widely regarded as the best flip-style smartphone available right now. However, it now has a proper competitor, the Oppo Find N2 Flip, featuring better specifications and a £100 cheaper price tag. One of its main talking points is its bigger cover display, and Samsung seems to have taken notice. Now, the company is trying to improve the usability of its affordable foldable smartphones with the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 5. The smartphone will launch later this year and will bring a feature many Z Flip users have been demanding. Yesterday, it was revealed that the Galaxy Z Flip 5 would have a much bigger cover display. If the rumors are correct, the smartphone's cover display will be even bigger than the one on the recently launched Oppo Find N2 Flip. Now, Tipster Ice Universe has revealed that the Galaxy Z Flip 5's cover display will have a squarish aspect ratio, making it much more useful than the tiny 1.9-inch landscape-oriented display on the Z Flip 4. Similar to the leaked images of Motorola's next Razer flip phone, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 could even feature an end-to-end display encompassing the camera sensors. If true, it could be a boon to users as they won't have to open the phone for basic tasks like replying to messages or checking emails. It can also work as an excellent camera viewfinder. Right now, the landscape display doesn't do a good job previewing what's being captured. Similar to Motorola, Samsung could bring a feature that allows users to use complete apps on the cover screen. Along with a bigger cover screen, a faster processor, and a less visible crease on the main display, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 looks like a significant upgrade. If Samsung can also improve the cameras and battery capacity, the smartphone will be as enticing as this year's Galaxy S23 series smartphones, even to Z Flip 4 users. So how do you like this new bigger cover display concept from Samsung? Drop your thoughts below in the comment section, and for more Galaxy news, you can check out our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.